তোমাৰ WebEx এইটো লিংকটো দিয়া মোক তোমাৰ WebEx লিংক মোৰ WebEx এর ইউজার আইডি পাসওয়ার্ড দিবি নাকি না WebEx এর মিটিং লিংকটো দিয়া WebEx এর মিটিং লিংকটো আছে না দিয়েছে আছে না নাই WebEx এর মিটিং লিংক আছে বাইদেউ মই এটা কিবা ক্ৰিয়েট কৰি বলা দিছিলো বলা কালি কেনে ক্ৰিয়েট কৰা আছে মানে কালি পৰীক্ষা আছে মোৰটো হৈ গল লাইভ হৈ গল মোৰ লাইভ ষ্ট্ৰীমিং হৈ গল নহলে মই এইটো লাইভ তোমাৰ WebEx আৰু ইউটিউবটো দিয়া তেনেহলে হৈ যাব ঠিক আছে মই আপোনাক গোটেইখিনি দিছো মই ইনাৰে পাছৱৰ্ড গোটেই দিছো তোমাৰ WebEx কোনো প্ৰবলেম নাই তো এতিয়া ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ধৰা তোমাৰ WhatsApp কাম কৰি আছে না WhatsApp to তোমাক লিংক দিম তাতে তুমি YouTube অন কৰিবা হেল্ল' তুমি আকৌ কৈ আছা কথা পাতিলে নেট কাটি যায় মতো নাকাটে দেখোন তুমি কৈ আছা ফোনত কথা পাতিলে নেট কাটি যায় মতো কাটা নাই ঠিক আছে
oftentimes flat pictures or still photos don't give you the same level of depth that video might give you. And we go to Vimeo to look for those creatives, or we may be aware of the directors and go to Vimeo just because they're often putting their preferred reel on Vimeo versus even their own production companies.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge brighter connections, and emails that get the job done, you need to think about more than just grammar and spelling. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read. It undermines the writer's message, and the word choice is bland. Grammarly's cutting-edge technology helps you craft compelling, understandable writing that makes an impact on your reader. Much better. Grammarly works where you work, on your computer or your phone. Imagine what you could do with the secrets of the world's best writers at your fingertips, anytime you need them. Are you ready to give it a try? Installation is simple and free. Visit Grammarly.com today.
Hello everyone, welcome back. You are watching the Data Labs. My name is Dilip. In this series of tutorial, we are going to learn how to develop a fully automated data entry form in Google Sheet and Google Apps script. So this series will have 4 different parts, and we will cover all the required features of a data entry application, and that is validating inputs, transferring data, search, modify, delete, and reset the user form. So once you will be able to complete this series, you will have fair understanding of Google Sheet and Google Apps script, and with the help of the code and logic which we are going to discuss in this tutorial, you will be able to design a complex data entry form for your usage. Okay, so this would be the first part of tutorial where we will cover how to design the user interface of data entry form in Google Sheet and write the Google Apps script code to validate and transfer the data. Okay, so before designing the user interface and writing the code, let's move to the demo form which I have already developed and see how it works. So here you can see that this is the employee data entry form, and in this particular application we have 3 different worksheets like user form, database, and support sheet. So here support sheet, I have mentioned the department list so that we can utilize the list while creating the drop down for department, and database is where we are transferring the data basically, and this is the user form where user will feed the inputs and save the data to transfer from this particular form to database. Okay, and in this employee data entry form we have facility of search, so that you with the help of after putting employee ID in here, you can click on search button to search the record, and even you can, if you just want to modify or delete any of the records, you just need to put the employee ID over here and then click on search. It will provide the list of all the details here, and you can change any of the data and then click on modify. Okay, so that will update the existing record. Okay, and if you just want to delete any record, you just need to put the employee ID over here. Help. And if you want to search, then you just need to search so that you can see here the record, and then you can press the delete. If you don't want to search, just when the ID over here and click on delete, it will delete the data from database. If you delete and the clear so this button will help you in clearing the form, like where you have feed couple of information, then over here list of all these here, and you reset this just click on it, will clear entire data. And this is the save button. So with the help of save buttons, once you will fill the information required inputs over here, then you just need to click on save, and it will validate whether you have updated correct details or not. Then it will prompt an error message that okay, you just need to update the details. You just and then here after checking that it will delete. You can just click on delete the data from this one to delete. So let's transfer a data. So I'm putting employee ID 123 and the name. This one will help you from and this is the address. Okay, so let's transfer this this data information required. Just click on here and you just click on here and confirm whether you have recorded or not. Will prompt generate. Okay, you just take the confirmation. Do you want to select the data? Click on yes. You can write down let's deploy on page and the will help you just and this transfer the data. I'm going to click on it. Now you can see that new data you have the items not 3. Click on OK. From there it will clear the form and let's go to the database. So now you can see that we have one record over here. So in the same way you just 1 2 3 employee ID and to search the record. Yes, you can see that all the information are sent. If you just let's change the department. Let's go here. Click on modify. The data. So let's click on yes. Now just search the record. Yes, you can see that all the information are sent. Let's change the department. Here. Click on modify. Finish the data. So let's click on yes, see the let's change the data.